Hey, good afternoon, folks. It's Rich here on the eastern shore of Maryland, and as you can see just a few seconds ago, that was 5 ridge vent shingles that I have in the garage. They actually blew off this afternoon with the high winds that we are having. And I will tell you this, folks, Spicer Brothers Construction, based in Salisbury, they actually put the roof on our house about 5 years ago. And we called them this afternoon because we didn't want any rain getting into the attic, and the guys literally turned up about 10 minutes ago. 2 guys actually ventured up onto the roof, and let me tell you this, folks, the wind itself is absolutely howling, and they fixed the roof with the same type of shingles or ridge vent shingles that we had installed initially. So if you're looking for a company to do that roof for your home, you know what, Spicer Brothers is certainly the way to go. It's going to give you the backup and peace of mind you need it when the crunch comes, folks, because I tell you what, we didn't expect them to come out, you know, straight away, but literally up on the left-hand side into the attic there was a 2-foot slot in the ridge vent that could allow rain that is expected this evening to come pouring in into our house. So let me just tell you this, folks. Spicer Brothers Construction, highly recommended. They do a fantastic job, and let me tell you this, when the chips are down, they will take care of your needs. Anyway, give them a call, folks. It's the best in town.